Hey there, it's Avery Grace and I'm back again with another video, and today I wanted to try something with the sunflowers I have been growing. So these are some sunflowers that didn't quite make it because the stems broke and they don't really last very long before they kind of start drooping, which is unfortunate. But I've started getting into painting and art and being creative in general, and I had this idea of trying to use the color pigments from the flowers on the canvas to create something, most likely sunflower. So I wanted to try this with you, see if we can do anything with it. I think it'd be really fun to kind of repurpose these flowers because they're going to die anyways and create something beautiful out of it. So let's give it a try. So what I'm going to try to do is make a sunflower. Maybe we can just Ooh, kind of getting something going. Another one over here, getting something. It's not really doing as much pigment as I was hoping it would, but this is just an experiment. Something fun to try. Now there's probably another way to do this, but I think art is supposed to be fun. I think you're supposed to experiment, try things. Don't take life so seriously. Because then you lose your creativity when you have to be so literal and everything. So serious. See, we're starting to get somewhere. Poor sunflower. But we'll always remember it. This is not the prettiest, but we're trying. Kind of hard to see, but we're getting something. Almost don't wanna. Cool if I just. Maybe we'll do pressed flowers next. I think that would be fun. I think that's what I was going for when I first had this idea. You know, like, but maybe we save these here, and then probably should have just kept them on there. Don't worry guys, I have plenty more. It's something. Okay, so did we just destroy some flowers in the process of making this? We did. R.I.P. But now we've created something, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna continue this canvas with some other paint. Not quite sure if we'll use like the pens, watercolor, or what we'll do. Maybe we'll do something with these. I'm thinking we will. And we'll just continue our creativity on this canvas. And what the purpose of doing this was to expand our imagination, to try something different. Something that sounds silly. That was silly, but it was fun. I think it was like relaxing. Or maybe it was really stressful because we just, you know. But thanks for hanging out with me, and if you want to join me in this journey as I find my creativity, please subscribe, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's a free way to support this channel, and maybe we can buy a bigger canvas next time. We'll see what happens. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next video. Bye guys!